Here we have a plate of acetabular hip cups manufactured on our DMP Flex 350 or Factory 350 dual laser system. So these acetabular cups are printed with a high throughput. Basically, we have a 30 micron setting for a finer lattice feature and a 90 micron setting for the solid substrate. This enables us to have a super high throughput to create these large joint implants for production level. Using the 3D Expert software, we're able to generate an infinitely customizable amount of lattices, surface roughnesses, or any kind of other porous structure desired for these implants. Utilizing the DMP Flex or Factory 350 dual laser system, we can decrease the build time by up to 50%. By being able to scan multiple parts at a single time, we can increase throughput. We can further increase this throughput by utilizing 3D Expert's parameter sets where we can have multiple layer thicknesses, up to 90 micron solid layer thicknesses. This further increases throughput from this production plate.